Samsung is working tirelessly to polish this groundbreaking device in preparation for the highly anticipated release of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. They are adjusting their performance utilizing benchmarking platforms as part of their careful strategy. It will, as anticipated, run Android 13 and be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset with 12GB of RAM. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 phone has now appeared on Geekbench for the second time. The first one is said to be a model from North America. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is anticipated to be introduced in late July in conjunction to the Galaxy Z Flip 5. There won't be a space between the two sections of the phone when it is folded. It is anticipated to have greater dust protection, a better camera, and be a little bit lighter than the Galaxy Z Fold 4. The Samsung device model that is displayed on the Geekbench website is the Samsung SMF946B. It scored 1845 for single-core performance and 5083 for multi-core performance. Discover the amazing capability of the future device, which is run by the cutting-edge Android 13 operating system. With its cutting-edge chipset, which makes use of the ARM and ARM v8 architectural style, be ready to experience a new level of performance and efficiency. An intriguing function called Kalama, which is described beside the motherboard, is an added benefit. The most recent mobile chipset from Samsung has an outstanding 8-core CPU. It guarantees slick performance for routine activities with a base frequency of 2.02 GHz. Additionally, it can accelerate to an astonishing 3.36 GHz when you need an additional burst of power, providing outstanding performance for multitasking and intensive apps. The price of Samsung's much-awaited Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to be revealed during the forthcoming Unpacked event, which is planned to take place at the end of July. In comparison to the Galaxy Z Fold 4's predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 5, we may expect a slight reduction in the price of the smartphone in France. The price of the previous model's 256GB and 512GB versions was €1,799 and €1,919, respectively. If Samsung chooses to reduce its pricing in South Korea or the US, it does not necessarily follow that the same strategy would be used in Europe. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in a comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.